Good morning to all. Today class we will discuss market segmentation. Segmentation is one of the marketing strategy. Once produce the product, the particular product to reach the customer in between, what are the factors influence? So based on consumer need, how much time the particular product their use, occupation, income. So based on we will segment that particular product market. Market segmentation is the process of dividing a market of potential customers into groups or segments based on different characteristics. Have common needs, interest, and priorities, and then designing and implementing strategies to target them. So then only we move the product very easily. These segments can later be used to optimize products and advertising to different customers. So each and every customer is unique. So based on that customer need, you have to insist, have to motivate the customer, easy to convince them. So based on their own requirements. So types of market segmentation, geographical segmentation. Target customer groups based on that geographical. So whether the particular persons living that city, village. So based on things you have to place that market. Geographic regions of customer groups help determine where to sell and advertise as well as where to expand your business. First, you identify what the product to reach that right customer. So based on we place the market in one location. When you serve customer in a particular area based on where they are located, it involves grouping potential customers by country, state or city. Next, demographic segmentations. Demographic elements such as age, education, income, family size, how many family members there are available, gender and occupations. Based on that occupations, income, they play the main role of demographic segmentations. How we use those products and how much willing to purchase the product, how much time you have to use that product. So based on the things, the product it will be moved quickly. Psychographic segmentation takes into account the psychological aspects of consumer behavior is one of the factor to buying a product. Dividing markets according to lifestyle, personality traits, values, and interest of consumer. So the interest of consumer is very important. Based on their interest, only they are buy the product. It's not easy to convince them. Behavioral segmentations divides markets by behavior and decision making patterns such as purchase, consumptions, and usage. So it's possible to convince them through advertisement, but finally they are take that own decisions. So observations of each customer's actions for marketers to then send the tailored message. So based on that own decisions, then only to choose the product or not. Next, importance of market segmentations. Why we segment that market? What are the need and importance? Better understand your target audience and ideal customers. You have to easily to identify what type of peoples they are willing to our products. So first to identify the product, you have to easily to sell the product. This allows to identify the right market for our products and then target our marketing more effectively. Automatically our efficiency rise that expected target we have to achieve on that right time. The market segmentations process. Initially, have to conduct a preliminary research. Once have to segment that market before, have to do some basic research through forms. Directly have to ask the questions through to give the advertisement through paper. So how many people they are willing? What type of people they are expect of our product? So based on the things you have to segment that market. So this is that initial work of that market segmentation. Once you have to start that market segmentation process, first conduct the preliminary is a basic things. The basic things it will be help to achieve our product. Determine how to segment your product. Decide which criteria. So what are the criteria you have to consider? Based on the things you have to segment your geographical, psychological, behavior. So based on things you have to categorize it, then you have to fix that your market segment. Design your study. Once you have to categorize, then have to design your study so that geographic combined with the demography or psychographic combined with the behavioral. So based on that aspects, you have to design your study for each and every marketplace. Create your customer segments. Once you have to taken that survey, then you have to how to segment, then you have to design. After that, have to analyze your that results from that customer. So through manual or with the support of any statistical tool, you have to calculate how much people they are willing, if any queries, any doubts that rise that people. So based on things, you have to arrange that market segment. Finally, test and iterate. It's not that particular create your customer segments not complete. So again you have to do that process, then only you have to get that good results from that customers, what they are thinking, what they are keeping that mind, that immediately have to reflect in your test and iterate conditions. Ensuring effective segments. So these are the types of market segmentation. Then importance of market segmentations. Then market segmentation process to did. Measurable variables are directly related to purchasing a product. Once how to start that market segment, before to consider various input parameters based on that people need, income, occupation, demography, behavioral, psychological. So various aspects they are involved. So these are the factors it reflect that purchasing a product. You should be able to calculate or estimate how much your market segment will spend on your product. So once you have to split that market segment, how the market segment it will be helped to in your purchase a product. Accessible. So easily to access your product. So be accessible in terms of geography. So it's based on the geographical. To enable accessibility of goods and services, there should be use an appropriate marketing strategy. So easy to access is one of the marketing strategies. So most of the people to willing to come and to purchase. Substantial. The market segment must have ability to purchase. Make sure and identified segment is not just interested in you but can be expected to purchase. Thank you.